In my childhood days, I dreamed of becoming a singer and musician, making a fortune from my talent. But Faye had other plans. I never got a chance. And trust me, I was so good that even Taylor Swift and Justin Bieber wouldn't stand a chance against me. Still don't believe me? Well, just take a look at this legendary video of my singing talent. Okay, maybe my throat wasn't good that day, but fast forward to today, and I'm making $3,000 per month from music without even singing. The secret? This crazy AI music generator called Musicful. Now, instead of struggling with high notes, I let AI do the work while I cash in. So if you ever wanted to be a musician but your voice sounds like a broken speaker, don't worry, AI's got you covered. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or just an ordinary person, you too can earn thousands just like me, using my AI music strategies. I'll reveal everything at the end, so make sure to watch the full video. This video is split into 4 parts. First, you need to understand what Musicful is and its features, because without this, you won't be able to create music or BGM similar to professionals. Second, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to use Musicful effectively. Third, I'll explain why Musicful AI is the first choice for creators. Fourth, I'll show you how Musicful helps us make money. Let's begin with part 1, Musicful and its features. I've provided the website links in the description. Make sure to use them. Basically, Musicful AI is an AI music generator that helps you create high-quality, royalty-free music in minutes, no experience or costly licenses needed. Whether you need beats, background music, or custom songs, it makes music creation easy and fun. To see how it works, listen to this example song I created using Musicful AI. You'll definitely love it.
And just can't accept it. This can't be the end yet. You promised to never leave, and now you're gone.
Now, let's go over the key features of Musicful AI. First feature, generate copyright-free music. One of the biggest headaches for content creators is dealing with copyright issues. You spend hours creating a video, only for it to be taken down or demonetized because of the music you used. With Musicful AI, those days are over. It creates 100% royalty-free music that you can use in your videos, podcasts, or any project without worrying about legal issues. Imagine being able to focus on your content without constantly stressing about copyright strikes. That's the freedom Musicful AI gives you. Second feature, supports multiple genres. No matter what type of content you create, Musicful AI has the perfect soundtrack for you. It supports a wide range of genres, including hip-hop beats for your workout videos or urban vlogs, romantic instrumentals for heartfelt montages or wedding videos, upbeat pop tracks for fun, energetic content, cinematic scores for dramatic or emotional scenes. Whether you're creating a vlog, podcast intro, or full-length advertisement, you'll find the perfect music to match your vibe. Third feature, pure music and beat generation. Sometimes, you just need the music, no vocals, no distractions. Other times, you want a full track with beats and lyrics. Musicful AI gives you the flexibility to create pure instrumentals or full tracks with vocals, depending on your needs. For example, if you're creating a meditation video, you can generate a calming instrumental track. If you're making a rap parody, you can create a full track with beats and lyrics. This versatility makes Musicful AI a must-have tool for creators in every niche. Fourth feature, easy sharing and downloads. Once your music is ready, you can download it instantly or share it directly to your social media platforms. No complicated steps, just seamless creation and sharing. This feature is perfect for creators who need to work quickly and efficiently. You don't have to waste time exporting files or dealing with technical issues. With Musicful AI, it's all about speed and simplicity. Fifth feature, free first-time use. Not sure if Musicful AI is right for you? No problem. The tool offers a free trial, so you can experience its power without spending a time. During the trial, you can create your first track, explore different genres and styles, see how easy it is to download and share your music. It's the perfect way to test the tool and see how it can elevate your content. Sixth feature, song imitation and adaptation. Want to create a song parody in the style of Eminem or Taylor Swift? Musicful AI's Song Parody Maker lets you generate hilarious or creative parodies that sound just like the original, but with your unique twist. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose a song example, Rap God by Eminem. Step 2. Use a lyrics parody maker, like ChatGPT, to generate funny or creative lyrics. Step 3. Paste the lyrics into Musicful AI and describe the style. Example, angry rap, fast flow. Step 4. Let the AI generate the music, and voila, you have a professional quality parody. This feature is perfect for creators who want to add humor or creativity to their content.
Another day begins again.
Now, let's move to part 2, how to use Musicful AI step by step. Step 1. Choose your mode. Musicful AI offers 2 modes to suit your needs. Description mode, simply describe the mood, genre, and style you want. Example, upbeat pop with a summer vibe. Lyrics mode, paste your lyrics, and Musicful AI will generate the perfect music to match. Step 2. Customize your track. Once you've chosen your mode, you can adjust parameters like tempo, slow, medium, or fast, instruments, piano, guitar, drums, etc., vocal style, male, female, or instrumental. This level of customization ensures that your music is uniquely yours. Step 3. Download and share. When your track is ready, you can download it instantly in high-quality MP3 format. Share it directly to your social media platforms. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about part 3, how creators and other social media influencers are using Musicful AI. First, YouTube creators. Imagine you're a YouTuber creating daily vlogs. You need fresh, engaging background music for every video, but you don't have the time or budget to hire a composer or search through endless royalty-free libraries. With Musicful AI, you can generate a custom soundtrack in minutes. Match the music to the mood of your video, whether it's a high-energy travel vlog or a heartfelt personal story. Avoid copyright strikes by using 100% royalty-free music. For example, a travel vlogger could use Musicful AI to create an upbeat, adventurous track for their latest trip to Bali. The music sets the tone, enhances the visuals, and keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. Second, podcasters. Podcasts are all about storytelling, and the right music can make your episodes unforgettable. But finding the perfect intro music, background score, or transition jingle can be a nightmare. Musicful AI solves this problem by allowing you to create custom intros and outros that reflect your podcast's brand. Generating background music that matches the tone of your episodes, whether it's a true crime mystery or a lighthearted comedy show. Saving you time and money by eliminating the need for expensive music licenses. For instance, a true crime podcaster could use Musicful AI to create a dark, suspenseful soundtrack that keeps listeners on the edge of their seats. Third, social media influencers. If you're an Instagram or TikTok creator, you know how important it is to grab attention within the first few seconds. Musicful AI helps you do that by creating trendy, eye-catching music for your reels and TikToks, allowing you to experiment with different genres and styles to see what resonates with your audience, giving you the freedom to create original content that stands out from the crowd. For example, a fitness influencer could use Musicful AI to generate a high-energy, motivational track for their workout videos. The music not only enhances the video but also inspires viewers to hit the gym. Part 4. How to make money with Musicful AI. First way to monetize is by doing freelance music creation. Offer your services as a freelance music creator on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Charge clients $200 to $500 per project to create custom soundtracks for their videos, podcasts, or ads. Second way to monetize is by collaborating with brands. Partner with brands or influencers to create soundtracks for their campaigns. With Musicful AI, you can deliver professional quality music that meets their needs. Third way is passive income. Use Musicful AI to create soundtracks for stock music libraries or YouTube videos. Every time someone uses your music, you earn royalties. Pricing and free trial. Musicful AI is budget-friendly and accessible to everyone. Free trial. Get started with no cost and create your first track. Pro plans unlock unlimited downloads, advanced features, and no watermarks for as low as $9.99 per month. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to try Musicful AI for free and start creating your perfect soundtrack today.